This is going to be a video on the Samsung T159 Samsung flip phone. This flip phone is from 2012, which is one of the most modern flip phones up to date. Flip phones are not that new. They've been called flip phones like in the mid 2000s, early 2000s. Maybe in late 1990s. The software, the phone doesn't look that old. It looks old by the styling, but it is a flip phone. But I think there is still some companies that are still making flip phones up to this day in 2018. Like, I hear Samsung making that flip phone with the touchscreen instead of its non-touchscreen interface. And it has Android on it. But if I get a hands-on of this, the styling is all pink because there's no way to change the colors. It's only like a pinkish type of color. So I think that is the theme of the T-Mobile interface. T-Mobile Mall doesn't let me. I think it's all pink because of the styling of the T-Mobile logo. It's all pink instead of like gray. So there's no way to change the colors as you like it. And it has its own proprietary software. You cannot upgrade, you can't downgrade. This is what you get, is what you get. There is no software updates, or this thing even has any software updates. I'll try. This is the music player. See how loud the speakers get. It has a loudspeaker. Yeah, this speaker is loud. It's not too loud, but the speaker is loud. Let's see. I don't have a SIM card in here, but still has a signal. Settings. It's just the lame old setting. Those old settings that you know. Bluetooth, you could connect it. I think you could transfer stuff from your like smartphone to here, or you could connect a Bluetooth headset or computer. That's what this thing does. It has a calendar. It tells you what's the day in the week. Alarm. You can store 3 alarms, and then you could name your alarms. So if you put an alarm for school, work, whatever, your wake up time. I set the clock to 24 hours. It doesn't came from the factory like that, so. Voice recognition, there's no SIM card in here, so it can't do that. Tasks are empty. Memo is empty. Calculator. Let's see how many digits. Well, you could. It's a 15-digit calculator. Yeah, that's great. A tip calculator, like if you're at a restaurant or something like that, you could tip how much your bill is and how much you want to tip, the percentage, and how much you put as tip, and then number of people paying for the check. World clock. Let's see what it goes at. Oh, it goes to GMT plus 12. It doesn't go to GMT 13, 14. They put 9.30 for some reason. Or 9.5 hours. It's 8:08 in Hong Kong, Beijing right now. These are all the latest time zones. Well, it's about to be 6 o'clock in Kathmandu, Nepal now. Mumbai, India. Let's see. The Atlantic, no countries use GMT plus 2 for some reason. Because it's in the middle of the ocean. This thing looks red on camera, but it's actually pink. Like a pink reddish type of color. I don't know. You convert like your money, which is not even that accurate anymore. So, it only gives you, see, it's not even accurate anymore because 11 pesos for $1, no, that is not even true. So let's try yen. Nope, that's not even accurate. It's made like 100. And that's not even accurate too. Probably it's like 2012 standards for currency conversion. Because nothing's accurate anymore on this phone. Yeah, 51 pounds for $1. 50 pence for $1. No, that's not even true anymore. 7.7 yuan for $1. That's not even true. It's like 6 point something these days. Canadian dollar. Maybe that's less. There's a real. Maybe that's less. Some of these currencies are not even true anymore. True currency values. The rest of them are accurate. But temperature. It's hard to push the 3 button. Well, it says 0 Celsius. That's accurate. But the currency conversions are way off. Let's see. Let's go back. Oh, there's a timer. So I could time something. You could put it for 1 minute. That's gonna be crazy when it's going off. Stopwatch. You could record a lap. See how much you could do. I don't know how much it could go. Oh, I don't know, like 50 of them. I push it 50 times. There you go. RSS reader. It's blank. I could add one. Oh, it's overexposing on my camera. The screen. Wish I adjust the brightness. Media. Videos. So it's what the videos I uploaded. And calls. All your call lists. Let's try the camera. Let's see. Let's take a pic. Wait. Alright. Let's go to the camera. Let's take a picture. With my radio here. I can zoom in to the display. Let's take a picture. There we go. Right here. You can't see the display that well because the overexposure of this camera doesn't like bright displays that well. I'm gonna set the exposure lower. I can set it as a wallpaper, so put wallpaper, set, and there you go. Your wallpaper. It's not even that big. But it only takes can't see the resolution. It's a little bit. I think 640 by 480 is too small to focus. I think I'm out of focus already. There we go. Let's see the camcorder. Has a camcorder, which is a very bad quality camcorder. If I use this day to day as a camcorder, the videos will be pretty bad on it. So that'll be it for this flip phone. It shows you the time when you close the lid of the flip phone. And it goes to sleep. That's all I could say about the Samsung T159 flip phone. Thanks for watching.